So right now I'm planning to buy Lupin in the market level now around 1644 to 1645. So in the market level I just buy it now. Okay, so let's see how the stock will perform today, and I'm planning to keep the target up to 6 or 7 points. And also, as you guys can see here, we are trading without any indicators based on my unique strategy. So according to my study and the strategy, this stock does look bullish for the day, and also even the market is having a bit of a bullish opening here. So that's the reason the market can also be a bit of a bullish way today, and I am having a bullish view on the Lupi stock itself. So let's see how the stock will perform today. So I'll be showing you where I take the exit and everything. So watch the video till the end so that you can know where I take the exit and everything. And also, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No indicators and no complicated things. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course, with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skills to make you as a profitable trader. And not only that, you get everyday live market personal support as well. The course prices are very reasonably priced. You can just go inside my channel and watch daily live trading videos plus the educational videos what I've uploaded from almost 5 years plus on consistent basis. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to discuss with me and to communicate with me. So guys, yes, after some time, the stock is now trying to go up. The new high what it has made is 1648.80, somewhere around 1652 or somewhere around 1653. I'll just plan to take my exit. Okay, so the stock has almost made a new high of 1652, as you guys can see here. Yes, the movement is pretty fast, and the market is trying to go up here, I can tell, but Lupin stock is performing in a very bullish way. So 1652 is a new high what it has made as of now, and the stock is being very bullish. Okay, so anyway, I just try to take my exit once it crosses this 1652. Okay, 1651 again. So yes, we are getting the momentum towards the buying side here. So 1651 again. So the stock is retracing a little bit here. So anyway, we'll just wait for some time, and whenever I take the exit, I'll just update you guys so you can continue to see the live trade. So guys, yes, as you guys can see here, the stock has almost made a high of 1700, and I have taken my exit by almost booking 7 points. So this was the profit what I was able to book today in the 2 days trade of Lupin. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to discuss with me.